Good afternoon, all of you. So, in our last lecture, we had discussed the operator overloading, and that too operator overloading which we have discussed was about unary operator. Unary operator and binary operator both we have overloaded one by one. So, unary operator we know how to work. Binary operator we know how to work. Okay. The binary operator. Can you state binary operators? List the binary operators. Binary operators. What do you mean by binary operators? Operators with two operators. So list them. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus. What are the other? Double equals to, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, not equals to. Can I say all these are binary operators because they require two operands? You agree with this? All of you? So whatever we did the process for plus, same we need to do it for all other operators if you want to overload. Yes or no? So we are going to solve an exercise today. All of you please write down the exercise. Write the program. Write the program.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Dean.
your voice is low.
Okay. Is it now audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write a program to overload less than operator or less than sign. Less than operator to compare objects of box class based on volume. So, who understands the definition? Read the definition. Question. Let me repeat the question. Ankur, I'll come to you. Hold. Write a program to overload less than operator to compare objects of box class based on volume of the box. Yes, Ankur, what was your doubt?
सर डाउट नहीं मीन्स इसमें हमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स कंपेयर कर सकते हैं ना मीन्स इफ कंडीशन के अगर हम
Exactly,
ऑब्जेक्ट
objects ही
वन
compare करने हैं. Exactly,
यस
so objects only we need to compare. Yes. What do you understand by this definition? Who will say? Very good. दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे उसके वॉल्यूम को कंपेयर करना और बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू विल बी डिस्प्लेइंग व्हिचएवर बॉक्स इज स्मॉलर. Do you agree with this? Okay. Let me write a pseudo code, a rough code. Is it visible to everyone? what I want to do is I am having class box. You are knowing what we can write in class box, and you are already written. Now what I want to do in void main, I should have the objects of box classes. Let's say box B1, B2. You get the data. Or whatever you want to do, initialize it, the values using constructor, whatever you want to do. But what I want to do is, if B1 less than B2, and see out box 1 is smaller. This is what I want to print. Else, see out box 2 is smaller. So can I say I have overloaded less than operator for two box objects, because B1 and B2 are box type, which compiler doesn't know. And we need to overload this. Now, who will tell me the representation of this statement? If I write B1 less than B2, let me talk about representation once again. We have done it for C3 equals to C1 plus C2, wherein we were representing it as C3 is equals to C1 dot plus C2. Do you remember this? Do you recall this? In the same way, this was about plus. It was about plus. In the same way, I want it for less than. What should I write? What is the interpretation? Tell me. यहाँ पे क्या interpretation किया? What you did the interpretation? This is the statement. You have interpreted to this one. Means C1 dot plus n is an argument to that function C2. You recall the program, previous program. So similarly, what about this line? અને ફંક્શનના ફોર્મમાં લખ્યું છે exactly B1. This interpretation will be B1 dot less than, and as an argument to this will be B2. Compare this one. B1, C1, B1, B1. Dot. Plus as an argument C2. Less than as an argument B2. समझाइए कि नहीं? ना पता नहीं चलेगा. You don't understand. Interpretation is very much important in case of binary operators. If you remember this interpretation, then everything is solved. Now everything is solved. Huh? Huh? Operator ni argument hai. Actually, operator is a function. Operator is a function. So what we'll write for this? અહીંયા શું લખશું આપણે? Operator less than as an argument box B2 return type बाकी આપણે તો આમ જ લખવાનું પણ આ આપણે આપણા સમજવા માટે રેફરન્સ પર રાખીએ બીકોઝ આના ઉપરથી અલગ પરિસ્થિતિ દેખાશે કારણ કે શું ટર્મિનોલોજી લખવું પડશે ને જો મેં કીધું તમને will be comparing two objects of box class based on volume sorry આપણે મેમ્બર ઓફ પેજ એન્ટિટી ઓવરલોડ થાય છે one using member class second using friend function if you use friend function તો b1 આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ તરીકે પાસ થશે તો b1 b2 ને આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ અને એ મેમ્બર ફક્ત ક્લાસ તરીકે કરું છું ફાઇન so now what one thing is missing, that is return type and the logic. Yes, Raj, what should I do? Sorry? Why integer? Absolutely correct. When I compare the two objects, કાં તો b1 greater હશે કાં b2 greater હશે તમારે નક્કી નહીં કરો કાંઈ return કરાવો તો I need to return something. If I return 1, then it is true. That means b1 is false. If I return 0, then false. That means b1 is smaller. Okay, hold. If I have confused anywhere, chalo. Can I say I need to compare the volume? Integer L E H. Is it fine? Public section. Void volume. તો જો અહીંયા ચેન્જ આવશે આપણે જૂની પેટર્ન પ્રમાણે જઈએ છીએ void volume ને અહીંયા આપણે c out કરી દેતા હતા. Do you remember? Yes or no? But now what I am doing the change, I want to compare the volume. If volume is less than b2 dot volume and return 1, else return 0. See, my job is done. And return type I need to mention, that is integer. b1 small હશે તો 1 return થશે, b2 small હશે તો 0 return થશે. So question will arise, sir, why you have not written b1 dot volume over here? चलो reverse way માં જઈએ છીએ. A function, this function will be called from where? Can I say it will be called from here? Yes or no? What is the interpretation of this? b1 dot. So this less than will be called using which object? b1. तो b1 से कॉल हुआ है तो यहाँ पे मुझे b1 लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तो वॉल्यूम किसका हो गया? What the point? Still one thing is missing. What I did, can I say I have called the function? तो तो यहाँ पे फंक्शन विल रिटर्न सम वैल्यू, यहाँ पे तो मैंने void लिखा है, will it work? No, now I want to change and I want to return something from volume, that is return L into B into H. तो यहाँ पे जब वॉल्यूम कॉल होगा तो इंटीजर वैल्यू रिटर्न होगी B1 के ऑब्जेक्ट की वॉल्यूम की, सेम वे B2 डॉट वॉल्यूम कॉल होगा तो इंटीजर वैल्यू रिटर्न होगी, दोनों कंपेयर होंगे और उस हिसाब से रिटर्न 1 या 0 होगा। अब समझ में आया? सॉरी, तो इफ में तो लिखा है, मैं ब्रेकेट नहीं मूका, एक लाइन હતી એટલે इफ માં જ લખ્યું છે। હવે ક્લિયર? સિંગલ લાइन હોય તો બ્રેકેટ ની જરૂર નથી। ચલો, is it fine? Still my job. Let us demonstrate the class. So let me write the constructor box int x comma int y comma int z. Still it is not complete, huh? Let me write 5 comma 3 comma 1 and b2 3 comma 7 comma 2. Which box is greater, smaller, b1 or b2? Which box is smaller, b1 or b2? b1 is 5 b1, b2 is b7 2. b1 is smaller, yes or no? Okay. So the same program. First of all, check it out. Something is missing. What is missing? Integer operator less than box b2, isn't it? Now can I say it is the member of the class? So I need to write box scope resolution operator less than. Let us compile it. Error आनी ही चाहिए. Error should be there. Then and only then we can learn. What is the error? Undefined symbol LBH. What should I write? Or here I need to make it integer. Define box B1 is smaller. Is our program perfect? When can you say your program is perfect? when it is tested for all the cases. चलो मुझे बॉक्स 2 के लिए भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. चलो, can I say, let me change the now which is smaller? Which is smaller? We should get B2. Did you get the program? Any doubts with this? Please write down the program. Sir, can we get the value from the user? Yes, we can. You are knowing how to get it, right? I just wanted to demonstrate. So I have taken it from the user. If you observe it, our volume function. Till date, we used volume function wherein we were not returning anything. Our return type was void, but today I changed it to int because it was required that this function should return value, which was to be used somewhere else. Okay, fine. Write down one small exercise which you have to search out and you have to give me the answer into the next lecture. Number 1. Which are the operators in C++ that cannot be overloaded? Number 2. Which are the operators that cannot be overloaded using friend function? Both questions are different. Just read them very carefully. The first question says which are the operators that cannot be overloaded anyway. But second is which are the operators that cannot be overloaded using friend function, but they can be overloaded using our member function. Okay, so please be careful with the exercise. This will be discussing it up next time. Fine then. This is what is all about operator overloading. Now we have to discuss something new. What is that? What is that? Type conversion. What do you mean by type conversion? What do you mean by type conversion? Exactly. Converting one data type to another data type. You have already done. You have already done. If I write integer a, if I write float b equals to 10.5 and I write a is equals to b, what happens? We are copying the value of b to a. What a is to a? Then b is 10.5. You are confused. Value 10 होगा. Okay. That means you are saying that over here a will be having 10. What about 0.5? Because b is having 10.5. It will be there. It is a fixed floating value. क्या करेगा? Answer is absolutely correct. We are converting floating number to integer number. And in the background in this truncation process, 0.5 has been truncated. So when I say it is a conversion from float to int, B is float, A is int. So we have converted float to int, but implicitly, we have done that conversion process. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0.5 ट्रंकेट करना है ऐसा लॉजिक आपने सोचा है? You already defined. This conversion process is already defined. Do you agree with this? Same way, if I say A is equals to 10, and now I write B is equals to A, then what will happen? 10.0. That means your integer number was converted to float. Type conversion. Which type of type conversion? Implicit. Compiler has done this. You have not done this. It is an implicit. Okay. Then what is explicit? Float C comma F. C is equals to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. You have seen this formula prior. Formula of converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. It is not Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's Fahrenheit to Celsius. What will be the answer? If I take F value to be 97. What will be the value of C if I take Fahrenheit temperature to be 97? कंप्यूटेशन कंप्यूटर के हिसाब से करना है, आपके हिसाब से मत करना। हाँ, 97। F is 97. What will be the value of C? पर हमने कैलकुलेटर लेके कन्वर्ट कर दिया और बता है 36.1। पर फिर भी आप कह रहे हैं कि नो। इसलिए I have given one hint to you people कि think according to computer, calculate it according to computer. If you compute this with respect to computer, if you take any damn value of f, answer will be 0. Any damn value of f you take, answer will be 0. This is a very basic thing and we are not knowing. This is the very basic thing and we are not knowing. What is the type of file? File, which is file? Integer. What is the type of 9? Integer divided by integer. Answer will be integer or float. मैंने बोला कंप्यूटर के हिसाब से मैं डिवीजन करूंगा तो इंटीजर डिवाइड बाय इंटीजर आंसर क्या आएगा? इंटीजर। हमारे हिसाब से फ्लोट आएगा पर कंप्यूटर के हिसाब से इंटीजर। तो मुझे बताइए 5 का 9 का इंटीजर वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0 into 26 हमारा f minus 32 कोई भी ले लो तो क्या करना? There are two ways. Either you do 5.0. So now float divided by integer. Why float? Because float is larger data type. Now problem resolved? Yes or no? But still it is implicit. I wanted to teach you explicit. I do not want to write 0.0. Then also I want the correct answer. Exactly. I should write float before this. This is termed as explicit conversion. I have advised the compiler that you consider this operation to be a load. So, I conversion you are clear. This is what we are going to discuss at all. Chalo. Now, actual type conversion is what is something different. But different means we want to discuss something else. Over here, we have seen the example of converting int to float. Yes or no? Can I say int is a basic data type, primitive data type, primary data type? So I am terming it to be basic. And I am converting it to again another basic. Yes or no? Because float is also basic. Yes or no? But now I am changing. This was the first type of conversion. That is basic to basic type. Basic to basic type. Now the second type of conversion what I want to discuss is basic to class type. Class means our class, box, class, space, class, point, class, complex class. We want to convert our basic type to class type. Basic means which basic types? Integer, long, float, character, double. I want to convert to class. Class can be any as per our requirement. Do you agree? Everyone? So similarly, I can have third type of conversion. Class to fine. Similarly, I can have fourth type of conversion. Sorry. Class to another class. Did you get this? Out of this four type of conversion, the first one we did not to check out because it is entered by compiler itself. But rest three we need to learn how we can do it because compiler does not know what is class. Because class is a user defined data. So I need to define. So we will be focusing now on which conversions? Three. Which are they? Basic class, class to basic, and class to class. This thing we will be discussing next time. One by one we need to discuss. But what the concept? Okay, let me still give you some example how this is going to happen. I want to convert integer to, let's say, time. Are you getting? Integer to time class. Still going into detail of this example. When I enter in a program 75 minutes, it should convert to my time class wherein hours should be equals to 1 and minutes should be equals to 15. This is my time object. Do you recall this? Very good. What is it? We have done this part. Conversion का example ले लो. तो example function भी ले लो. तो आपका conversion type conversion सीखो. Fine. Should I move further? ચલો હવે આને લખાય કેમ, આપણે લખશું કેવી રીતે? હું આમ લખીશ, time t1 is equals to 75. So what is the type of 75? And what is my destination type? Time. And what is time? Class. This is what I wanted to do. Basic to class. તો તમે એક લાઈન લખી નાખી, પાછળ કેટલું લખાવશો? Of course I will make you write. This is one example. Now the second what we are going to do? Second what we are going to do? Class to basic. Let us take example. I am having 7 kilometers, 500 meters, I want to convert it to basic. 7,500 meters. Actually, this was our class member. Class, distance, converted to distance in meters. And last example, what is that? Class to class means what? Converting box to student, if they are relevant. Huh? If they are relevant, logical. That time is not logical. मैं बॉक्स को स्टूडेंट में कन्वर्ट करना चाहता हूं, या स्टूडेंट को बॉक्स में कन्वर्ट करना चाहता हूं. These are my user defined data types. These are my classes. So can we do this? Yes, we can do this. Is it fine? Everyone, today we stop here. All are requested to put your enrollment numbers in the chat box. Today we stop here. You can leave.
हेलो सर।
हाँ, yes.
सर मेरा एनरोलमेंट नंबर सेंड नहीं हो रहा है।
नंबर बोलो.
92
Last three digits. Last three digits.
004.
004. Okay.
Yes.